You want that to be a natural integration, not like these high production 60-second mid rolls with a logo in the top corner. People tend to skip through those. You already know this because you do it. You skip through them. So don't do it to them because you do it, right? So one thing to avoid is also don't be too pushy with the affiliate links. They're going to know if you're just trying to make a quick buck or if you actually really believe in the product. So focus on building trust by giving honest, helpful recommendations. And over time, that audience is going to see you as a trusted person, and they're going to be more likely to click on your links and make that purchase. And you can do that even in the same video, right? Like, you don't have to have it over multiple videos. You can take someone through a journey in one whole video that's going to allow them to say, you know what, I need this and I want to get it through you. Now, let's talk about traffic. You don't need a huge following to start making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. And to keep it real with you, there are plenty of free traffic strategies that can help you get started even with a small channel. You can leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok to promote your videos, but that's not what we're talking about. All right, here right now we're talking about YouTube today. So a great SEO or search engine optimization strategy on YouTube is really all you really need. Okay, so by using the right keywords in your video titles, your description, your tags, like, those are going to increase your visibility on YouTube and attract way more viewers. And also having a good YouTube video, right? So you can be small and still reach way more viewers than you have subscribers, because YouTube is a search engine. And it's actually the #2 search engine behind Google.